Hello everyone, welcome to Geoscienceengineering. Uh, in this video, I will be explaining you about how to view any landslides using Sentinel-2. So usually what happens when we go for the Sentinel-1, we have images or the data sets through which we will be processing the images before and after an event. So, if it is an earthquake, we can see the deformation before and after, and if it is a landslide, we can see the change before and after. But Sentinel-2, you can directly visualize which particular place had the landslide, and you can also measure the extent of the landslide approximately. Now, you can go to this Copernicus browser and then you can select any of the locations. Right now, I am showing you a place called Kisama. It is in Nagaland. This particular place has a landslide in the year 2025 between April and June. So, we will just see how it looks like. Okay. So, you can browse to any place and then you can just go to that particular location. So, this is the place where the landslide took place, and this is the pre-event image, that means before the landslide. So, you can see it is little cloudy and then it looks all the same. So, you can use any of these layer combinations like the false color, or you can also go for the NDVI. See here it is all red, that means it is all vegetation, and even if you go for the NDVI, you can see this is all vegetation. So, this image is captured in April 7th, but after that when you go to next date like May, you may not be able to see this image clearly because of the clouds and all. So, I am going for an image like June. Okay. So, right now, so this image is somewhat good. This is captured on May 13th. So, you can see the difference here, and when you go for the April 7th, you see this is all okay. So, I will go to NDVI and then I will show you. See here it is all clear, or even for the false color it is all red, but when you go to the May month of May 13th, the image is not captured properly. So, we will go for another date because it takes some time to load. So, we will go for 12th May. See this is all cloudy. Okay. So, we cannot distinguish which places is landslide. So, we can go for any further dates like I will go for June 11th, and here if you can zoom this particular area, the vegetation is there, and but here it is all patchy, that means this shows there is a landslide. If you want to go for a clear picture like this, you can even see the NDVI. Here it is all green showing the vegetation, and here this light color shows you that there is no vegetation. That means this is an indication that the landslide took place. If you can get a clear picture, you can also go for the true color and see this, and if you want to measure, you can have the scale or the measure option here, and then you can just measure the extent, but this is only an approximate measurement. So, this way you can visualize the landslides. So, this is how we can use Sentinel-2 and the Copernicus browser to identify the landslides. So in the next video I will show you how to do the processing with Sentinel-1 for a rapid landslide detection. Thank you for watching.